You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting city name that causes a lot of confusion for many people, because there are indeed different ways of pronouncing it and people pronounce it differently, so there are contradictions and debates. Most people in the US pronounce it as Louisville, and that would be also valid for the United Kingdom, people in the UK and the English-speaking world in particular. Louis, so that's the French name, Louis, because it's French, the S is silent. Louisville is also French for city. It's a French word for city. City in French is said ville. Louisville is how most people say it around the world, but in Kentucky itself, being the largest city in Kentucky, a lot of people say it as Louisville, Louisville, Louisville. So it would be spelled L-U-L, Louisville, Louisville is how it is said around Kentucky itself. Louisville or Louisville. Now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.